The roundtable discussions were pretty good. It was very interactive. Mix was good. It had the right, the number of people from academia and from commercial. And overall, I think the participation was very good. In fact, the time that we had was actually less. We ran over by 5 minutes. We could have probably run over by several more minutes. So I think overall, very impressed with the way the audience was brought together. Very positive results, and we also got some participation that they are willing to kind of work with us in building out some of the concepts that came out of the round table. So overall, I'd say very positive and very interesting in terms of the format. I think it was a good mix. We had most of the influencers and buyers. What kind of worked is the fact that the influencers are the people that can actually look at what's really happening, what are the technologies of interest, what are the various new trends, and the buyers were the senior people who actually get a sense of what's really going on. So it was a good mix because this mix was from within each of the companies, so that makes it good. They can always go back and compare notes. So I think overall it was pretty good, very different from what we have seen so far because it's usually at the same level. So this I think was a good mix and very different and I believe is something that will go. We are hoping because we have had really some of the meetings were very encouraging. We have a lot of follow-ups. So we do believe that it's going to get tangible results. At the same time, we also realize that bioinformatics as an area takes time in terms of going from an initial meeting to a concept to something really tangible if you're looking at it from a commercial perspective. But what we do believe is the kind of interactions that we have had, the kind of interest that people have shown, and the way they opened up and shared some of the problems. It looks very encouraging, and we are hoping that we're going to have a lot of good follow-up discussions with all of these delegates.